Hey y'all, Brother Dave's Hillbilly Homestead. And it's the next day, 2 days later from the last video where we put all that sawdust in. Oh, you want to stop looking at my ugly mug? There you go. And there's all the sawdust. We finished up with another half a load, and that's done. Now today, we're kind of exercise, rule number 1, waste not, want not. And you see all this grass here. I got about 5 acres of grass. And if I ever get myself a wife, maybe I'll have time to get some goats too, so I can stop mowing the grass and maybe harvest some milk. But whereas most people mow the grass, all right, I know this is awkward. Okay, I harvest the grass. I don't mow it. So let's show you what we do with the grass. I push the off button. Don't. Rule number 1 in gardening: keep the lawn out of the garden. Keep the garden out of the lawn. Rule number 1 in gardening. Well, how the heck do you keep the lawn out of the garden? There's a lot of different things you can do. But one thing I like to do is around the outside of this fence, just dump a load, a foot thick load of grass clippings. Now that grass is going to die underneath there, and we got a barrier between the lawn and the garden, and I can easily run the mower up the edge of this grass barrier here, because it'll be nice and low at the edge. Be able to cut the grass, won't have to weed eat. Sweet. So keep the lawn out of the garden and the garden out of the lawn, as today's video is all about. And of course, waste not, want not. Don't mow the grass, harvest the grass. Harvest the grass and put it to good use. You can turn it into compost. You can use it as mulch. You can use it as bedding for your chickens, or bedding for your rabbits as well. Now, it's the end of the day. I am all hot, dirty, sweaty, covered in grass dust. Yo, let's go take a ride in a mule. What do you say? All right, you look at the mule instead of looking at my ugly mug. And there's Guppy. Guppy, you made it into another video. Good girl. Are you driving? Are you driving? No? Rooch over. Rooch, come on. All right. All right. We're going to take the people for a ride in the mule. It's a short ride. Just like sometimes I have to tell people, you know, if you're trying to drive me crazy, you need to be careful, because it's a real short drive. Ha 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 ha. Guppy knows that for sure, right, Guppy? Right, okay. Guppy says, right, Daddy. Here we go. Driving in the mule. Whee! There's the burn pile. Coming up on the shelter cave here. You get an idea of the size of this shelter cave. It is just huge. There's about 10,000 square feet in here. You could actually build a house. Now, one guy who used to own this place actually had a barn inside the shelter cave. He kept goats and pigs and chickens in there. All right. Day's done. I get to hang out in the shelter cave with a cold 1 or 2. I love my twisted tea. And you get these, you can't really see them in the video. We get these trickles of water coming down. Well, you can see it going into the this is the acorn leaching pool, and summertime bath water. So what we do at the end of the day to wash all that crap off of us is, I ain't gonna show you, but you'll be able to hear me. Dang it, turned it off again. I'll give you a nice view of the cave though. And I'm gonna, and brothers and sisters, that is ice cold water. We use this, well, I keep my shoes on just because there's a lot of rocks, but everything else, oh yeah. This is an awesome way to end your day. It's an ice bath. Literally. All right, Guppy, you coming in? Come on, Guppy. Come on, baby. Oh, please. Let's get Guppy. Guppy. Did you clean the pool? Dang it, dog. It's time to get out. All right. All right. Time to go. Guppy peed in the pool.